Good morning, all of you. How are you all? All fine? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that's great. So, today, Arifa Joint will conduct the class with Gayatri Mantra. Arifa, turn on your camera, start Gayatri Mantra, and others will follow.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Beta, you have to chant the mantra 3 times, okay? Arifa?
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Fine. All of you. So, how are you all? All fine? Great. Let me see who all are there in the class. Arifa. Okay. Today I'll add a good adjective with your name. Okay. So, for example, Arifa is there, so I can say attractive Arifa, deep, okay, dashing deep. So, likewise, you tell your name quickly. You can type in chat box.
मैम आपका वॉइस कट रहा है, मैम वापस बोलो ना।
Later you have to speak in English, Devansh. I told you many times. Okay. Okay. I said that everybody add a new adjective with their name. For example, my name is Devi, so I can say that decent Devi. Okay, so decent is an adjective, and with that you can write your also quickly within 1 minute. All of you quickly write for your name. Then start the class. Okay.
Joshi, yes please. Gam, yes, very nice. Gam, Alice, what would be that today? Let's get come on, sorry. Yes, anybody else?
Okay.
Anybody? Come on. You all have hearts, so you have right.
Please. Oh, you are not understanding what I said. If you don't participate in the class, okay, how can I teach you, beta? I had given you example and you have to follow it quickly. You are taking much time. Dashing deep, that's great. Very good. Next, quickly tell me your name with your adjective. Yes. Devansh, Kashyap, Krishna, Maulik, Om, Priyanshu, Rashi Doshi, Rashisha, Rudra, Sushil, Paras. All of you quickly do.
फिर से बोलो क्या करना, नेटवर्क तो आवाज कट रही थी।
I said that you have to use an adjective. Okay. Suppose your name is Deep. So your starting letter D. So you have to find a good adjective which will describe your name. For example, he has written Maulik in mood. So Maulik, you can first you write adjective. Okay, you can say moody Maulik. Okay. Now next. Next, who all are there? So many students are there. Om, Priyanshu, Raj. This is your first class. So second class and you are feeling bored? Royal Rushi, that great. Wow, wonderful. Wonderful, that's great. No, you have to write your name differently. Okay? Whenever you find a good adjective, you keep on writing so that after that only I will give you attendance. Okay? Foodie D. Beta, your name start with D letter. So your adjective should be D only. Attractive. Okay, attractive Arifa. Very nice Arifa. Okay. So like this you all write down. But here I am going to explain the chapter. Okay, chapter number 3 that we are going to start. Okay, listen. Have you ever noticed any fruit tree? Like this is the season of mango, right? So you can see there are many mango trees are there. Yes or no?
Yes.
I need your reply.
Yes.
If you don't reply, yes. If you don't reply, then I will give you absent mark. Okay? I will not give you present over there. So better you reply me. Okay. So if you have seen mango grows with mango seed. Okay. So what are the plant or tree that grow with seed, and what are the plants that grow with stem? Do you know? See, money plant. How do money plant grow? With seed or with stem?
Stem.
Stem. Okay. Now tell me, how do snake plant grow?
Now which snake plant?
Snake plant.
Ma'am, through any cover or wall?
Snake plant grow with stem. Okay, it doesn't have any seeds. Okay. Likewise, tell me, do you eat berries, blackberries, blueberries? There are so many kinds of berries. Tell me, how do berries grow? With seed or stem?
No, ma'am, in small plant.
Berry grows with its seed, okay, and it takes little time to grow. Okay, so there are many trees, long or big trees, that take time to grow, at least 1 year time to fully grow. Okay, that's the condition. Okay, fine. So here you all have your grandparents, right? Fine. And grandparents love so much. Grandparents teach us so many things because they have experience. Okay. So here we are going to learn few things what Rakesh's grandfather taught him in a lesson. Okay. So we are going to get that outcome after reading the chapter, the cherry tree. See the beauty in simple things. So we are going to see the things in simple things, and we also identify the various part of story that I have already told you. We will compare the character between grandfather and the grandson Rakesh. Okay, and to organize bond share between grandfather and grandchild that I have already told you. So in this story there will be beginning, middle and end part. So there the situation it will be in three parts of the story. Okay, so what is that? That is the beginning, middle, and end of the story. So this is the common thing. Okay, this is the common thing that happened in the story. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, fine. So this is the theory. I think I have already explained page number 27. Is it okay? Am I right? Do you remember? Or in other section? Okay, no problem. Here I am going to read. Fine. So, Devang, you read the first paragraph and tell me what do you understand by the first paragraph. Tell me. Then I will explain next. Why you children are not replying me? I said read first paragraph and tell me what do you understand.
Yes.
Only you can read and explain. Devang, if you talk in Hindi again, I will call your father and inform you about you all the details. Okay? Because many times I requested you to speak in English and you know English. By knowingly, you are speaking in Hindi continuously. Right? This type of attitude I will not accept. Careless attitude I will not accept. First time I am putting you a negative comment I don't like, but you are forcing me. Are you getting what I am saying? Yes. So everyone has to participate in the class, whether it is right or wrong. Okay? They must read and explain paragraph first. If you do any mistake, I will do.
Can I
Tell me. Okay, beta. No problem. Go for this. Yes.
One day when Rakesh was there was a little sweet store. Small, bright, it had come all the Castleville. By the time he reached home, only 3 cherries were left.
Okay.
Have a chat together as his grandfather looked like a garden. And said,
Okay, fine. Now listen to me. So Rakesh lived with his grandfather in a little city in the Himalayan foothills. Now listen to me. Okay. So Rakesh is a young boy. Okay. He is just 6 or 7 years old. He lives with his grandfather in a small cottage, in a small house, and that house or the cottage was in the Himalayan foothills. Okay, so it was near Himalayan foothills. His parents live in a small village 50 miles away, but there are no schools there. And his parents, whose parents? Rakesh's parents, they live in a small village. Okay, and it is 50 miles away from his grandfather's village. Okay, so how much it is? It is 50 miles. Okay, I am writing in chat box. 50 miles away from grandfather's house. Okay, and in that area there was no school. No school in Rakesh's village. Come to live with his Masuri, with his grandfather. So that's why he come to Missouri I have written. It is Mussoorie with his grandfather. Why this typing mistake is happening, I don't know. Grandfather. Okay, so grandfather lives in Himalaya foothills in a small cottage village, and his parents, Rakesh's parents, they live in a small village. It is 50 miles away from Mussoorie, and he came to Mussoorie to live with his grandfather because there is no school in his village and he wants to study further. So that's the beginning of the scene. Okay, and one more thing I'm just writing, the grandfather was a retired ranger. Okay, a retired ranger. So you remember this much. Now moving to the story in page number 27. So one day when Rakesh was 7, okay, so what was his age? His age was 7 that time. So this is the story when Rakesh was 7 years old. He walked home from the Mussoorie bazaar eating cherries. So what happened? He bought some cherries, okay, in Mussoorie's bazaar. Bazaar means market, okay, and he started walking to his home by eating that cherries. Have you ever seen cherries in fruit or salad or somewhere we use cherries, right? It sweetens the salad or mitha pan we use cherries. In faluda we use cherry. So it gives a sweet taste, sweet and little sour taste. They were a little sweet, a little sour, small bright red cherry. So how was the cherry? The cherry was little sweet, little sour. Okay, it is a combination of sweet and sour, and it was small and bright red in color. Okay, so this is all about cherry he bought, which had come all the way from Kashmir Valley. And the narrator said that the cherry had been brought from Kashmir. You know, in Kashmir you will get many kinds of fruit, like saffron we get from Kashmir, apples we get from Kashmir, and there are many things that it is easily available in Kashmir. So the cherry also had brought from Kashmir Valley. By the time he reached home, only 3 cherries were left. So he bought cherries in the market of Mussoorie. He started eating cherry, okay, and when he reached home, he had only 3 cherries left in his hand. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Any doubt? No doubt. Okay. From where did Rakesh get the cherry? A reply of this question. From where?
Ma'am, repeat. Ma'am, I can say.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can say. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, from Mussoorie Bazaar.
Mussoorie Bazaar. Okay, that's great. What is the name of the place? What is the name of the boy? Quickly
Poet.
answer. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, poet.
His name was
Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond.
Rakesh, not Ruskin Bond. I told you many times the main character is Rakesh and his grandfather. So the boy is Rakesh. Okay. Where does his grandfather live? Where does Rakesh grand
Himalayan foothills. In a small cottage. Himalayan foothills.
Himalaya foothills
In a small
in Mussoorie?
Himalayan foothills.
Okay. What is the distance from Rakesh's home to Mussoorie?
50
What
miles.
is the distance from
50 miles.
50 miles?
50 miles. 50 miles.
How did the
miles.
narrator tell about cherries? How was the cherry?
Cherries are sweet and sour, shiny, small.
Yes. Yes. Okay. They were little sweet, a little sour, small and bright color, bright red color. Okay, cherries. Fine. Now moving to next. Okay. Next page. That means. Wait, let me retry why it is saying download failed. The second page is not opening. Give me 1 minute time. Rashi Shah, Rashi, beta you read page number 28, first and second paragraph, and what do you understand? Explain. Then I will explain the rest one. Okay. Quickly, Rashi. Rashi, I told you, quickly start.
Yes.
Yes. But whenever I am asking, that means you have to start quickly. Huh?
Then my
Will
mic
waste
was
time.
not able to.
Okay, no problem, beta.
Then page number
28, first, second paragraph, read and explain. Let us know your understanding.
Yes. Have a cherry, Dada, he said as soon as he saw his grandfather in the garden. Grandfather took one cherry and Rakesh probably ate the other two. He kept the last seed in his mouth for a long time, rolling it around until the tang had gone. Then he placed the seed on the palm of his hand.
Okay, explain it. What do you understand? Graph.
Then the boy said his dada for the cherry.
Hmm.
And
So
grandfather
the boy,
gave
come on.
Rakesh a cherry and he ate two cherries and he kept the seed in his palm.
Okay, that's great. This is the simple thing that you have to explain. Very nice. Well done. Okay. So here the explanation that I'm going to do for you. Have a cherry, Dada, he said, as soon as he saw his grandfather in the garden. Okay. So he reached to the home and he saw his grandfather. He was in the garden. Okay. So looking at his Dada or grandfather, he offered, okay, cherry to his grandfather. Okay. Grandfather took one cherry and Rakesh promptly ate the other two. So grandfather had taken only one cherry and there were only two cherries left. Promptly, that means immediately, without waiting, without thinking anything, he eaten two cherries. Okay. So he kept the last seed in his mouth for a long time, rolling it around until the tang had gone. So as you know that we eat gooseberry, that means amla, berries, khatta berries and all. Okay, so this type of fruit we eat, so we will eat so many, but we will keep the last seed for longer time. Okay, to rolled in our mouth. We just want to enjoy that tanginess in our mouth. So in the same way, the boy also rolled in his mouth, rolled and rolled again. Okay, until the tang had gone. So that the tang means the khattapan. Okay, that or the sourness. that had gone. So last moment, okay, he ate that cherry. Finally, he took out the seed from his mouth and he kept on his palm. Okay, so he threw all the seed on the way. Okay, he threw everything, but at the last seed he took out and keep those so that on his palm. Are cherry seed lucky? He asked. He asked to his grandfather, Grandfather, do you think the cherry is lucky or bring luck for us? Do you know, when I was in school, we used to keep peacock leaf, peacock feather, dry leaf in our book, and we used to say that it will bring luck to you. Okay, you can pass in exam if you put it. It will give you another. It will grow like this. We think and keep those in our books. Do you ever did? Have you ever done? Now you are in 8th class, right? I think you have done in class till 6th at least. Have you ever done Rashi? Arifa, are you all there? Have you done this or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
Deva?
What?
Yes. Everybody has to speak of something, or I will ask you to just turn on your camera. All of you, let's see how you are sitting, why you are looking so lazy. Let's see. Turn on your camera. Let me see everyone quickly.
Ma'am,
Without seeing you, I will not give you present. Turn on your camera. No excuses.
ma'am, my own.
Why you sitting in the room? Malik,
Yes, ma'am.
quickly turn on your camera, everyone.
Ma'am, my
Arifa,
camera
Deep,
is on.
Hardeep. Malik, I can see you. Okay. Rishil, I can see you. What about other?
Ma'am,
What about
I
other?
can. Manav.
Manav, yes, Manav, I can see you. Very nice. What about others? What about other? Where are they?
Hello, ma'am. Can you see me?
Okay. Girls, you also turn on your camera and show. We are not judging you how you are looking, okay? I need to see you. Rashi, Arifa, turn on your camera. Rashi Doshi and Rashi Shah. Devans, Paras, Rudra. I told you, if you don't turn on your camera, I will not give you present.
Ma'am, I have on camera.
Without camera, how can you join?
I can see.
Yes, I can see Paras. Very good. Nice to see you, Paras. Okay, who all are there? Okay, Paras is present, that means. Okay, I am going to put all of you absent. Those have not turned on your turn their camera. Okay.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
Monique
my
and Manav,
camera.
you can turn off your camera.
Ma'am, my own camera. Ma'am, I have on my camera. Ma'am, I have also on.
But you have turned off it. We cannot see you. Devans Patadia. Arefa, where are you? Arefa joined. At least reply.
Ma'am, now you can see me. Ma'am.
Please turn.
Ma'am, you can see me.
No, Devans. Not visible here. Yeah, I can see Priyanshu. Yeah, Priyanshu. Very good. Looking good also.
Ma'am, now, ma'am, you can see me.
I can see Priyanshu
You
and
can see
Manav.
me.
Devans, no, I cannot see you. Okay. Om,
Ma'am,
Rashi
you
Doshi,
can see me.
Yeah, Om, I can see you. Thank you. What about other? Rashi, Rashi Square, Shaha and Doshi. Quickly turn on your camera. Okay, now Priyanshu, Maulik and Om, you can turn off. It's okay. I have already checked.
Ma'am, my camera is visible.
Yeah, Rashisha. Yeah. Good.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Devas, I can.
ma'am, now you can see me.
Yes. Okay, those had turned on their camera, I will give them present, and rest of the students, they are absent. Now I'm going to share screen.
Ma'am, my camera was also on.
What did you
Ma'am,
say?
ma'am,
Kashyap,
ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, you have given us
Tell, I'm listening.
start. Ma'am, you have said that show me at Monday.
Yes, that's good. Nice. Manav?
Ma'am, I am
Okay.
done.
Now here I'm going to turn on. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to share you on the screen. All of you check. Okay, going to explain. Fine. So he took out that seed from his mouth and kept that on his palm. And he said that whether the cherry seeds are lucky or not. Of course, said grandfather. Grandfather said that yes, it is luck. But nothing is luck if you put it away. But nothing will bring you luck if you throw it away, if you don't use it. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. If you want luck to bring to your life, if you want luck to come to your life, that means you have to use that in your life. Without using that, you cannot get success or cannot get that luck in your life. So what can I do with the seed? So the boy was little confused. Okay, he was not knowing, or he didn't know that what to do with that seed. Okay, plant it. Okay, quickly the grandfather replied that he should plant that seed. Okay, so Rakesh found a small place and began to dig up a flower bed. I will plant it here. And the boy said that he will plant the seed, okay, near the bed, flower bed. He dig up and he started putting that seed. I don't think that it's a good idea, said grandfather. Grandfather said that no, I don't think it's a good idea to keep the seed here or plant the seed here. I have sown mustard in that flower bed. Plant it in that ready corner where it won't be disturbed. The grandfather suggested that that is not good idea, but the boy can plant the seed under the shady corner where he or that seed won't be disturbed by anyone. Okay, why? Because the grandfather already sown mustard seed near the flower bed. Okay, and mustard seed it grow very quickly. Within a week it will grow. Fine. So that's the reason. Now let me ask you a few questions. Do you agree with what grandfather say about luck? Tell me. Do you agree with what
No.
is about?
Ma'am.
No.
No. Why? Tell me. Grandfather said that, but nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use. So, this is the dialogue said by grandfather. Do you agree with this? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, of course we are agree with this. Okay. There is no reason to deny. Yes. See, suppose you have smart brain, but if you don't use, then how can you say that you are smart? So without using anything, you cannot say that whether the things are going well or not. Okay. So the grandfather is right in this case. Okay. Now moving to next, that then grandfather suggested that the boy should plant the seed somewhere else, and he said that he should plant it near the shady corner, okay, so that it would not be disturbed by anyone. Okay. Rakesh went to the corner of the grand garden. He pressed the seed into the soil with his thumb, and it went right in. So what happened? Rakesh went to the corner of the garden, okay, his grandfather's garden. Okay, he found a place. He took the seed, pressed it, okay, into the soil with his thumb. Okay, thumb means angutha. Okay, with the thumb, he pressed it little, and the seed went inside the soil. Then he had his lunch. Okay, just he put it like that. Now he went to his home or inside. He had his lunch, ran off to play cricket with his friends. Okay, he went outside to play cricket with his friends. He forgot all about the cherry seed. Now he forgot that he had planted a cherry tree. He was busy in his life, forgot everything. Okay, any doubt in it? Tell me. Tell me if you have any doubt. Are you all listening my voice? Am I audible to you all? Yeah. So why are you not replying when I'm asking question to you? You are not replying, beta. When I'm asking you question, you must say something whether it is wrong and or right. Deep Detroja. Deep Detroja.
Yes.
Kashyap. Those are not replying anything during class, I am going to send their name in group. Everybody will notice that. Because I am teaching you, very
Yes, ma'am.
scolding you nothing, but you students are not participating. Okay, tell me quickly. Here we are going to play a game. Okay, very quickly we are going to play a game. And we are asking question and where who will give the answer first, they will be the winner of it. Okay, checking the list also, and you have to write
Ma'am, what
quickly.
you said, your voice is cutting.
Ma'am, your voice
If
is
you are
cutting.
audible, see, I know my voice is cutting, okay, but you write answer here in chat box, right here. Okay, fine. Tell me, how many cherries left when he reached home? Write in chat box. How many cherries left when he
Ma'am,
reached
3
home?
cherry.
Answer. 3 cherries. Okay. Now next question is,
Name 3 cherry.
what did, okay, very nice, good. What did the boy do with the last cherry? Yes. Next question is, what did the boy do with the last cherry? He rolled the seed around in his
Ma'am,
mouth. Very
ma'am,
nice.
he hold
Yeah.
the seed in the mouth for some time.
That's great. See, you know the answer, beta. Very nice. See how well you are participating. Now the next question is that, okay, what did the grandfather say when the boy asked about cherry?
Grandfather
What did
said that it grow it.
Hmm?
Grandfather
What did he
said that grow it.
Ma'am,
Plant.
when the boy asked grandfather, are cherry seeds lucky?
Ma'am, grandfather said that it planted.
Of course.
Grandfather said, yeah, we both are correct. Okay.
But nothing.
Fine. Yeah, grandfather say, of course, if he want luck, that means he has to use that. Okay, fine. Now moving to next question. That's great. You are answering so well. So well done, all of you. Now moving to next question. What is the meaning of tang? T-A-N-G, tang.
Ma'am, tang means tang means a strong, sharp smell or taste.
That meaning has given in your book. You just tell me what do you understand by tang. You know, you have a drink also.
Tang is a taste like, ma'am, when you eat oranges, ma'am, when the first citrus flavor hits you, it is called tang.
That's great, wonderful answer.
Ma'am, I stand in.
Yeah, Devans, I got it. It is right answer. Very good. Okay, sweet and sour taste. Yeah, Hardev, you are correct. That's great. Yes, you all know that answer. Very nice. Now tell me one more question, one more answer. Okay, what is the meaning of flower bed here? What is the meaning of flower bed?
Ma'am, its
me.
meaning is
Ma'am,
garden.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, garden.
What is the meaning of it?
Ma'am, garden.
Flower bed means
Garden.
flower garden. Garden.
Garden, flower garden. That's great. Wow, you are doing. See, you all understand the things, but when you don't reply, teachers think that you don't know anything. So better you reply well. Okay, all of you. Thank you so much for today. We learn tomorrow and prepare well because you have to explain some part. Okay, that's great. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, bye.
Participate in the class.
Bye, ma'am.
By beta, turn on their camera. I am not going to give them present. Okay. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta.
Bye. Bye.
Yeah, bye all of you. Bye bye beta. Take care. Do complete your homework. Bye beta.
Yes.